When you look at my first video I uploaded on this channel, you realize that I hardly get up to 200 views. Like, getting 100 views on a particular video was very hard for me. And do you know why? It's because the algorithm has no attention on my channel. And I sit down and think, what was I doing wrong? Because I've tried everything that I know on my channel then, and I'm still not getting views. I have to bring more tricks to my videos. I started using a lot of different tricks on my videos, and after 1 week, that was when I started getting views. I didn't realize immediately which tricks actually works for me. Not when my friend reached out to me and she was complaining about her YouTube channel not getting views whenever she upload a video. Then I told her one of these tricks that let her try it on her channel, which she did, guys. It was a mind-blowing. Could you believe that her video started getting views? Like, her channel started attracting more subscribers. It's not just that, I also told one of my friends to try it on his channel, which he did, and guys, it was also a mind-blowing. Like, his videos started getting views immediately. Now, this is what I'm going to share with you in this video. This particular trick is all about tricking the YouTube algorithm for you to gain more visibility and engagement. So before I share with you this trick, if you feel this is a video you like to watch, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel and join this wonderful family where I talk about YouTube growth. I share every tricks what works for me. Now, this is what the tricks is all about. This particular trick is all about you tricking the YouTube algorithm for you to gain more visibility, for you to get your channel noticed out there, for the YouTube algorithm to push your channel to your right audience, and for you to gain more views on your video. Now, this trick is very simple. All you need to do is for you to create 5 different channels using different emails. Now, you are not just creating these emails for creating sake. You are creating them because you want to make use of them, right? Now, this is what you need to do. After uploading your videos, all you need to do is for you to watch that particular video with your own channel till the end and like that video, and also drop a comment. I don't know if you've noticed it on my video. Whenever I drop a new video, I go ahead and watch that video to the end and also like the video and drop a comment. Now, you are not just doing this because of your video is not of value. You are doing this to let the YouTube algorithm know that this is a good content that they need to push out there to your right audience, because YouTube loves engagement. The first people that tune to your video are very important, because they are the ones sending signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video is of great content and they need to send it out there to your right audience. Now, after doing this, you allow the video for 3 hours. Now, you're allowing this video for 3 hours because you want to give the YouTube algorithm time for them to study that particular video and for them to just do their thing, to start pushing that video, to know who they are pushing that video to. Now, after doing that, if you have just one phone, all you need to do is for you to switch accounts to your other account. But if you are not switching accounts, immediately you finish watching your video with your channel, you can go ahead to your PC or to your other phone to watch your video. But if you just have just one particular phone, all you need is for you to wait after 3 hours before switching your account so that it won't affect your video. You understand? So after switching your account to the other account, all you need to do is for you to watch that video to the end and also drop a comment. Now, you are not doing this because of you are doing it for fancy, or you are feeding the YouTube algorithm that they should push this video out there to a lot of people. Because once you use that 5 accounts to watch that video and drop a comment and also like that video, you've already signaled the algorithm that they need to push this video out there to more people. Like, the first impression matters. That is when the YouTube algorithm will know that people are actually enjoying this content. So you have to keep doing it on every of your upload. Yes, you have to be consistent, because once you are doing it, you are feeding the YouTube algorithm that people are enjoying your content. People love your content because the more you do it, the more YouTube pushes the video out there to more people, and the more YouTube is pushing your video out there to more people, the more you gain visibility. The more you gain more visibility to your channel, the more you gain more engagement to your videos. You see, so this is why you have to keep on doing it for 1 month, and believe me, after doing this, you're going to see great results. Like, you're going to see how your channel is going to turn around. Your videos are not going to be stuck. Your channel is going to gain visibility. Just give this a try and you're going to see wonders, and you're going to come back here to testify. So if you feel this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.